If you're using AI to create videos, then what just happened to Grok would seriously slow you down. Grok has officially stopped free video generation, and right now thousands of creators are stuck seeing the same upgrade to Super Grok message. But here's the good news. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful alternatives you can start using immediately. Some are fast, some give longer videos, and in some cases, even better than Grok. And make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also show you a bonus platform, plus a sneak peek of something even bigger. We've tested multiple platforms over the past few days. Most are paid, some were slow, but these 3 actually work, and you can start generating videos immediately. The first platform is Qwen Chat. Just open your browser and search for Qwen Chat. Then click Try Qwen Chat. Once you're here, simply log in with your Google account. And once you're inside, you'll notice something interesting. You can generate images with and even animate directly. Let me show you quickly. We'll just type a simple prompt like a person walking in a city street, cinematic lighting, and then hit enter. We're generating the image first, and once the image is ready, we'll be generating the video. The result is pretty good. Now we'll try the video option. So click generate video, and we'll use the same prompt to describe it, then hit enter. And just like that, it's already underway. This does take some time. It's not a matter of seconds, so you have to be patient. Okay, so the video is ready. Let's check it out. So within minutes, you get a smooth animated video. The quality is surprisingly good. Motion is natural to an extent. And overall, the results are very clean. You can also upload your own images if you like, or do a text to video directly. Let's say it's describe the video you want to generate. So overall, Qwen is one of the best Grok alternatives right now. Now let's move to the second platform, which is none other than the Meta AI. Just search for Meta AI and log in with your account. Once inside, click create. Here you can either upload an image, if you have one, or generate one from text. Let me generate a simple image first. Let's say a smiling person standing in sunlight, cinematic, and then simply hit enter. And within a few seconds, we'll have a few options available. Okay, so the results are pretty good. Actually, Meta's results are pretty realistic as compared to others in terms of image generation. So for example, we'll use this one. We'll simply click animate, and just like that, Meta AI converts your image into video animation, and the result is pretty good. But here's the powerful part. You can also get an extended feature. That means you can extend your video length. For example, go in here, and then under this option, you click extend. So earlier the clip was of 5 seconds when it was initially generated, but we click extend, and now it's up to 8 seconds. We can extend it even further if we would like to have a longer video. So that's a great feature to have. This makes Meta AI extremely useful for longer content. Fast generation, smooth animation, very beginner friendly. Now, the third platform is RoboNeo. This one is less talked about, but surprisingly powerful. Just go ahead and type RoboNeo AI in your search bar, and that'll take you to this website, the first link, roboneo.com. So once you log in, you get 70 credits, which are permanent ones, and then you get 20 credits, which refresh every day. So it is limited, but yes, you can still create a lot with it. As you can see, there are 2 options. The first one is Canvas, and then Workflow. Will be focusing on the Workflow option in this particular video. And we'll just go ahead and click on New Project, and then choose Workflow. As mentioned earlier, this will take us to the Workflow page. Okay, so that's our canvas here, and you'll see several different options if you click this plus icon here, in terms of text to video, image to video, AI animation, and then there are a lot of subcategories under each of them. Okay, but we're going to focus on image to video, as that's our major concern since we've lost our favorite Grok AI So we'll click on image to video. And as soon as you do that, you'll see that you have a workflow with these two options. Okay. So this one is the image box, where we're going to go ahead and add our image that we created earlier using Qwen Chat. So meanwhile it's uploading, you can simply select the model that you'd like to use. There are several different models, playing seedings only, and our beloved Grok AI is there too. So since it's available, why not use it? We'll just use Grok. Of course, we would like to have the highest resolution, that's 720p. Now, before you generate the video, make sure to add the text note, the prompt, so that the video is just not random and that it's exactly as per the prompt that you give to the system. So from the plus icon, we're going to choose text box. Once the note is added, you can simply readjust it over here and make sure you connect it to this output box. And we're going to use the same prompt that we use at Qwen Chat. And once all of that is done, you just go ahead and click run. And within a short time, you'll see your final AI video. Let's check it out. The movement is smooth, quality is clean, and it's completely free to try right now. This makes RoboNeo a very strong alternative to Grok. Actually, you are using Grok, just in a different way. Now, there's also another option named Arena AI. So you simply go to your browser, type Arena AI, and this platform gives access to multiple models like GPT, Gemini, Claude, and sometimes even Grok. But I'll be honest, sometimes it can be extremely slow and it may freeze during peak hours. So there's this option here for video generation. You simply click it, and then you can put in your prompt here or add an image using this add files option. But I'll be honest, I recommend using Qwen Chat, Meta AI, and RoboNeo as your primary tools, and this Arena AI as a backup option. Now, these three will keep your channels running today, for sure. But if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to watch my next video. I've been testing Google's Veo 3, and let me tell you, it makes everything else look like a slideshow. The quality is insane, motion is extremely realistic, and it might be the best AI video tool available. I'm dropping the full Google Flow tutorial soon. You do not want to miss that one. So that's it for today. Grok may have stopped free generation, but now you actually have even better options. Let me know in the comments which platform worked best for you. I'm Rich B, build smart, and I'll see you in the next one.